so many different things here today. There's loads of food, there's craft, there's a little bit of everything for everyone to do. My name's Jasmine and I have a Latin American restaurant in Upton.
My name is Eleanor and I own Miss Melon, where I make resin, jewellery and accessories.
My business name is Taylor's Creation Co. We have mocktails and refreshers.
My name's Ellie, I own Mother Hooker and my grandma had great humour and she was the one who taught me to crochet. My name is Charlie and I've started Blossom and Green, which is a little business selling cacti, plants, succulents.
My name's Jess and I run the Possible Kitchen. I bake cakes that are gluten and dairy free.
My name's Harrison Hindley and I run Distinct Sportswear and we sell recycled and eco-friendly gym wear.
My name's Ellie Tempest. I started Cozy Crochet back in lockdown.
I'm Raheem, I'm the Managing Director of Podwaller Limited. We sell the world's first chai pods compatible with Nescafe Dolce Gusto coffee machines.
I'm Ryan Gage, I run Convenience Gallery CIC. We are a community and contemporary arts platform based in Birkenhead.
I would never have started this if I didn't have a go at doing the youth market last year.
I think it's important for a lot of people to try and start out somewhere like this.
You need to test out business ideas, see if they work or not.
We thought, seeing as we're a local company, it's good to stay local, support the local community, see what we have to offer and see if the market will be interested in what we had.
And this is very important to support local businesses because it's getting us out there.
I think this is a brilliant market because the organisers put a lot of time and effort into getting all new businesses any support and advice that they need.
You're all here for the same reason, so everyone's dead supportive and you kind of make like friends with other traders and then that helps you work elsewhere and it's been really nice.
It's about just getting a brand out there and seeing people really love what you do.
I think it's very important to support other local businesses, to go out and shop local.
Yeah, I think it's so important and seeing the amount of youth out today and wanting to take part is really good. I love it.